Hey gang, how you going? Skypilot here. I'm at my favourite look at here. I've got the Skyzone AtomRC with me. I recently had to do a rebuild of this unit because I had a small motor ESC type problem where I crashed and burned. Anyway, put some new props on it. Fitted a replacement flight controller, all as well. This has got a great little Quadcopter FPV camera on the roof. Nice VTX, and is an overall cracker of a unit to fly. Crossfire ideal. I'm running XM Plus FR Sky here at the moment with a 450 3S underneath there. Fully charged. Let's see how long she lasts for. The Skyzone AtomRC. Links down below as always guys, where to get this cracker little unit from. And of course, thumbs up if you like what you see. Appreciate your time. Let's get flying. A little bit of wind here guys, line of sight will come at the end. Just want to see how we go with these props, hooked up to the Radio Master. Nice VTX, it does look a little bit overexposed in the sun. If you were going to upgrade this unit guys, I would go for a nicer antenna for your VTX. The stock standard one I don't think does it justice, so that's going to be one of my next builds, is to put probably a lollipop box here on the rear there. I think that will complement the 300 milliwatts of power a little bit better than the linear one is at the moment. I'll just scoot down the path here. I won't go too far down here because you've got it, it's a telephone tower there. I have come to grief before it. Okay, I'll see how we go. Sorry guys, I don't normally fly down here. It depends on, I find, what channel I'm VTXing at, whether or not the telephone antenna drops me from the sky. Nice fun unit this is folks. Makerfi are selling these at a terrific price, so like I said before guys, just have a look at the links below and check it out for yourself. Lots of fun though. I'm going to do a bit of a range test here. Let's get on angle mode. Let's go to our starting point, which is here. Okay, XM Plus folks, don't expect too much, especially with that VTX antenna. I'll stick my head in the sky and I'll see how far we go. If we can reach that road over there, which is a few hundred meters away, I think we're doing really well. I'm just going really slowly here, I can go a lot faster. I just need to know where it's going to go should we drop out. Yes, I think we're just about ready to call it. That's really good, that's actually past the road. Excellent. Okay. That's actually pretty good guys. I'm impressed. Okay, looks like our 3S is running out of power. Let's bring it home so we have some time and power left for a bit of line of sight as well. This thing's really cool. Avoid all these trees. Okay, let's just set it just about here. Trip over the rocks. There you go guys, the little Skyzone AtomRC. It is a mighty little atom. Runs really well on a 453S. Ooh, okay, running out of power. As you saw, that VTX, considering the fairly average VTX antenna up the back there, that actually performed really well. I'm quite impressed. And as I said before, that CADX camera works a treat too. 300 milliwatts, really nice, even better with some crossfire attached. However, we can't have everything. Any questions, please ask. Thumbs up if you got one. Thumbs up if you like one. Smash on my thumbs up there, smash on that bell so you receive all my notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks very much guys, much appreciated. See you next time. Skypilot. Bye for now.